Morning, one and all, for the class. Today we are going to start with chapter number 7, Introduction to Photoshop. Starting Adobe Photoshop. You are supposed to select the Start button, All Programs, Adobe Design, and then click on the Adobe Photoshop to open the Adobe Photoshop window. The main components of the Adobe Photoshop window are Title bar. It is the topmost bar of the Photoshop window. It contains the name of the application with its icon. It also contains the minimize, maximize, and the close button. Menu bar. It contains the main menu commands. Option bar. It is below the menu bar. It displays the different options that are available for the tools selected from the tools panel. Tools panel. It contains the various tools available in the Adobe Photoshop. Image title bar. It displays the information about the image opened in the Photoshop. Status bar. It is located at the bottom of every document window and displays information about the current magnification, file, size, etc. Rulers, they are present along the top and the left side of the image. They help to position the image precisely. Adobe Photoshop tool panels are rectangular mark you tool. It is basically to select the part of an image. Move tool. It is used to select and move the images. Lasso tool. It is used to make a free selection as you go on. Magic wand tool. It is basically used for selection. Crop tool. It is used to crop the images. Slice tool. It is used to create slices in an image. Retouching tools. It is used to correct the images. Brush tool. It is used to draw freehand. Clone stamp tool. It is used to select a source and copy it to another place. Eraser tool. It is used to erase an image or a part of an image. Paint bucket tool. It is used to fill with the foreground color. Blur tool. It is used to blur the images. Dodge tool. It is basically used to lighten the pixels in an image. Pen tool. It is used to create vector shapes. Horizontal type tool. It is used to insert and text in an image. Path selection tool. It is used to select the active path. Rectangle tool. It is used to draw a rectangle or a square. Eyedropper tool. It is basically used to select a color. Hand tool. It is basically used to drag an image when you are in a zoom in state. Zoom tool. It is basically to zoom in and zoom out. How to use this tool? First, you are supposed to click on the tools panel. If there is a small rectangle at the tool right button corner, supposed to hold the mouse button to view the hidden tools. Then click on the tool you want to select from the submenu. And then you are supposed to show us the submenu of the lasso tool. To open an existing file, select File, Open. The Open dialog box appears. Use the Look In option. Select the option of the file you want to open and then supposed to click the file. Click Open. To create a new file, select File, New. The new dialog box appears. You are supposed to enter the name, the height and width, the pixels, the resolutions, the color mode, the background contents, and then click on the OK button. To save a file, you are supposed to click on the Select button, select File, Save As, then click on the Save As button, write the name of the file, and then click on the Save button. The default Photoshop extension is .pst. How to change the background and the foreground colors. Photoshop uses the foreground color to paint, fill and stroke selections. The background color is used for gradient fill and for filling the erased areas of an image. The default foreground color is black. You can change the foreground or the background color using the eyedropper tool. How to change the background or the foreground color? Click on the foreground or background color selection box. Then the color picker dialog box appears. Drag the color slider, click in the color field and then just choose a color and then click on the OK button. Selection tools. They are divided into two major groups, Mark You tools and the Lasso tools. Mark You tools. You can select the areas of an image in a rectangular, square, elliptical or circular shapes. The steps for making a selection are: open the image, click on the black color arrow at the bottom right corner of the Mark You tool to open the submenu. Select the required Mark You tool from the list. Rectangular Mark You to select a rectangular area of an image. Elliptical Mark You tool to select a elliptical or circular area of an image. Single row Mark You tool to select a single row of 1 pixel width. Single column Mark You tool is to select a single column or 1 pixel width. Place the mouse pointer on the image and drag the area to select. Lasso tools. The lasso tools are used to make a freehand selections in an image. Following are the steps. Open the image. Click on the small black arrow at the bottom right corner of the lasso tool. Select the required tool from the list of available tools. Lasso tool, it is basically used to make a freeform selection in the desired shape. Polygonal lasso tool. It is basically used to select the polygonal areas by clicking at the different points. To close the selection border, position the mouse pointer over the starting point and then double click the mouse. Magnetic lasso tool. This tool sticks to the edges of the magnet image, thus making the selection very easy. To close the selection border, double click the mouse. Place the mouse pointer on the image and drag it to the area you want to select. Magic Wand tool. It is basically used to select the adjacent areas of the same color in an image. You can use the following by steps given below. Click the Magic Wand tool. The shape of the mouse pointer changes. In the option bar, you can specify the following. Tolerance. Basically, the tolerance range should be from 0 to 255. Anti-alias. It defines a smooth edge. Contiguous. It selects only the adjacent areas having the same colors. Otherwise, all the pixels of the same color in the entire images are selected. Sample all layers. Select only pixels from all the visible layers. If this option is not selected, colors from the active layers alone are selected. Click on the part of the image. All the adjacent pixels with the same colors will get selected. Working with images. Moving an image. To move the image from one part or from one location to the other location, the steps are: click on the Move tool in the Tools panel. Place the mouse pointer over the image or the selected part of the image. Drag the mouse to move the selected part to another location. If you do this without selecting any area, the entire image will move. To copy the image. While working with images, we can copy a part of the image to another location on the same image or to some other images. Copying a selection to the same image. The steps are: open the image, select the area using the mark U or a lasso tool. Click on the move tools in the tool panel with the Alt key pressed and drag the selection to another location. Copying a selection to another image. The steps to copy a selected portion of an image to another image are: open the image, make a selection using the mark U or the lasso tool, select edit, then click on copy, open the destination image and select edit and choose paste. Now we will end our class. Thank you.